Hey, this is Gary. I'm just going to make a quick little video on welding these AN fittings onto each end of a fuel rail using a rotary weld device. This is an Atlas rotary turntable. That's what I use on all my stuff. There's lots of different ways to do this, but I use caps, AN caps, whatever size of AN fitting I'm using. These are -12s, so I'm using a -12 cap. That's what holds it to the turntable. These caps with the little sliding plug, these work pretty good. You gotta grind the anodize off of there. You gotta take the anodize off inside, so the end of that rail, the end of that fitting will ground out. You gotta put a hole in the middle of it too, because that hole in the middle goes right there in the middle of that. Just stick it in something like this, and you can clamp it to your drill press, mark the middle of it, smoke a hole in it. Then you've got the center locator, and you go in here and go like this. It's in the middle of the turntable. Put that on there, snug it up, round and around you go, and you weld her up. And you got a nice little even, consistent little bead. Not little, but you get a nice bead. It just makes it look better on the turntable. This is -12 with a -12 rail. Cool, that's how I do it. There's tons of different ways to do this. This is how I've always done it. See you later.